This guy is motivating me.
Obviously. That's why I joined this issue. They will motivate us to further. But still, they want some guidance. They require that. They have that Josh, but they require that direction. It's like a vector. No? Vector? Good. Sir, please.
So you will be with us?
Yeah, I'll be here for some time. Please come.
Yeah. So, you were saying that, you know, are you talking about shortage of chargers? Well, you classify India into the highways, the state highways, the national highways, state highways, and the sub roads. And the sub roads can be a 40 feet road, 32 feet, and goes down to a village road. So obviously, you know, even if you are the Prime Minister of India or anywhere, or a minister, what will you do? The main thoroughfare is what you fill up. And that is exactly what is happening in India. The first phase of the development is absolutely fine. We took all the national highways, but of course we did get caught, as you have suspected, in some of the state highways. We did in one or two places, we did a miscalculation and adventure. And that adventure was we wanted to go a temple this side and something else on that side. And there, you know, we lost a couple of kilometers in that process. Then, to our surprise, we found that on that state highway there is no charger at all. Right? That was a stretch of about 100 kilometers or so. And to our rescue, as I told you, this is smart traveling. And I'm sure that all of you are smart. And you got great tutors to guide you. Alright? In that smart, call the Tata Motors service station and find out where it is nearby. Go request them, do you have a fast charger with you? Oh no. Then slow charger, we always carry a slow charger with us. About 3 to 4 hours of support they gave. Then another 10 kilowatt we managed in that. So that is how we started moving on. And then we find out the houses where we can put the charger on. Any AC socket with about 15 units, right? So that is good enough to do your charging. Have I answered it?
Yes.
Good enough?
Yes.
So what's your age?
Sir, 80.
80. And what are you doing now?
Sir, I'm taking mechanical engineering.
Which year?
Second year.
When are you expecting to buy your own TV?
He will make his own.
My only request to you all is that, you know, the world, in my opinion, was slow on the global climate. There a lot of talking that happened in this world, but the world did not really prepare itself for the change that will come. And today, let me also tell you, there is another area that you people have to really fill up. At the vision level, if you take a pyramidal shape, at the vision level, there will be very few people. How many of you here in this group, you feel that you are visionaries? Can you raise your hands? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a big number. So I think for that number, I should clap for you. And please, don't let this not be a political statement. And you all promise to be visionaries. Be the visionary.
Yes, you have to.
And I am proud to say that I am one of the visionaries. And I'll tell you my story some other time. Alright. So now as visionaries, what happens is that this is what I'm going to propose to your institution. Now, in the next 1 month to 2 months to 3 months, I'm gathering about some of the colleges and we're going to list all the problems in the EV industry. Will you also join that?
Yes, sir.
And the advantage here is that when we list out all the problems, we'll know the complete range. And we will also get to know who is doing what in the whole world. Who is doing a fast charging at the rate of 15 minutes, 800 kilometers or 1000 kilometers or whatever, after the slow charge. All these things let us get to know. And if lithium is being supported, lithium cells are being supported from China, are we going to continue from there only? Or India is going to develop? All these pros and cons, the economics, the geopoliticals, everything that we can study in this process. I think not more than 1 to 3 months will be good enough to make this study. The next thing is that let us classify and find out who is doing what work. I heard that one of the IITs, I think it is IIT Power, Mumbai is doing advanced work on hydrogen. So let us list out who is doing what work in which arena. So now you will get a better positioning about if at all you are interested. And please let there be a fire in you, my dear ladies and gentlemen. And why I tell you this is that I don't believe the shit of a talk that we are human beings who are attempting to become superhuman and divine and so on and so forth. With all the permission from everyone here, I tell you that I declare that we are spiritual beings who have come in the human form. And we are not ordinary people. We are people of special, very special caliber. Come to me in person and I'll tell you what is that speciality that's there in each one of you.